what are you doing?
I'm using my Bobby's diaper.
Oh, looks like you're doing a good job. Oh, are you wiping his face too?
No.
Is that his bum?
My Bobby, I want big poo-poo.
Did he have a big poo-poo?
Yeah.
Oh, you are a good mommy.
Here, Mommy.
Oh, thanks.
And then
Do you want me to get you a diaper?
Yeah.
Here you go.
So, it's way down here.
Oh, we'll get the diaper. Do you put it under your chin to pull it out?
What?
Do you like to put it under your chin so you can pull it out good?
Yeah.
Did you learn that from your daddy?
Yeah.
Oh, that's really good.
And Mommy, biggest diaper under my body.
Are you going to put it on your puppy?
I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. I do this.
Where's his bum bum?
Oh, this.
You're doing a good job.
And
Can you show me how you like to hug your puppy?
so I think my. Oh, it.
Oh no.
It's not.
Do we turn it the other way?
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a ding diaper.
Is it a clean diaper?
So where my body. I put this in my body. I put this diaper on.
Do you want some help?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put it down like that. You need to pull this strap up.
I want
There
this.
you go. Pull. Where's the other strap? Let's see here.
Wow.
Okay, here's one strap.
This one, that.
Let's put that up here.
Okay. And I want to do this thing.
Okay. He's all done. Can you give him a big hug now? Where's his head? Are you just a doll? Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.